Why are we so excited? We just made $100,000 in one day. In one day. No, really, this is part two. The second time we made $100,000 in one day. And I do these videos and bring my kids in here because I want them to look back at these moments and realize what's possible. And when people try to tell them that they can't do something, I want them to remember that anything is possible. So let's get into the details of the video. I'm gonna walk you through $100,000 one day trade. Experience the thrill, the ups, the downs, the excitements of getting in the trade and closing it out. Let's get into it. All right, guys, it has been a while since I recorded a video like this, but I have to get this on camera to show you what is going on. We're up $81,000 on this trade. This is the SPY just getting smacked down. The way that this is selling off and the way that the volatility is spiking, there's a potential we can do $100,000 today. If this falls from 395 to about 394, that's all we need. And we will, I think we'll officially hit 100 grand in one day. So I am watching this like a hawk. I normally don't record my real account, but I saw an opportunity to get this on tape and show people what's possible. We bought some puts like right here. Then we bought a second set right here, and then over here we added like 100 more puts to the trade. Right now, I just have to watch and be prepared with my finger on the trigger to close this out in case some random buying or something comes in. We got Google who got smacked down, Apple, Amazon, Tesla's down. Everything's down pretty big. The bulls tried right there, and that made me nervous. Like, okay, maybe they're back. The bears came through and just smacked this thing down. So I have zero faith in this little green candle from the bulls. I think the bears have way more power right now. And you can also see that the Dow's red, the NASDAQ's red, the S&P 500 is red. So everything's bleeding out across the board, which makes me believe that this little push from the bulls might be all they got. And then we see the bears come through. Volatility sold off a little bit, or tapered off a little bit, but it's back green, ready to potentially rise, which means as the fear rises, then people dump their shares. So we should see more selling, which we're starting to see come in. I'd just like to see the volume pick up. I don't really see the volume that I want. So we could get out right now and close out 81, but I think we'll be able to pull 100K today. I really do. Volatility is increasing. Bearish engulfing candle at this point. We'll see how it closes. When the momentum is down and in your favor, and the bulls showed you their last bit of power and the bears smacked it, and the bulls showed you their last bit of power again, and the bears smacked it, you usually don't argue, right? You say, okay, y'all showed me what you got, and that's what it is. It looks like the bulls are trying to fight a good fight. I don't like that. It's building kind of a base. But I just want to wait and see. We have enough profit to be patient. And that's the thing. We have so much profit in this trade, we can be patient. So we don't have to panic and be like, oh, get out right now. We have the profit to be patient, and we have the momentum in our favor to be patient. And you can see long wick right here. So that's just encouraging me to say, okay, Jay, just take a breather and be patient. I'm so tempted to close it out, but I can see the bulls don't have much momentum. Every time they try, we get a smackdown. Try again, we get a smackdown. I just need one big push, and that'll put us right where we need to be. We definitely don't want to be greedy, and then I don't like that we're starting to come back up. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to sell. All the sectors are still red though, so that's the only thing I'm kind of clinching to. Is like, you know, give it a second, give it a minute, but seconds cost money. You can see the account fluctuating because seconds cost money. Question is, are stocks sold off so much that they don't fear it going lower anymore? That could be the case, which might be time to unload. Big picture though, who wants to buy after it ran up and tanked like that? I don't know that anyone's rushing to get in before a holiday weekend. So I don't see a return rally happening, but you never know. You want to be finger on the trigger, close out the trade just in case. Don't like this little buy-in coming in, but it's not real buy-in, right? I mean, you can see the volumes declining on this little bounce. So technically that means just wait. We're in a wait and see pattern. And so we could either wait and make more money, or we could wait and give back some profit. That's what you just don't know in the stock market. You don't know what's going to happen next, but we have enough profit to wait and see. And that might be the right decision, because right now we're starting to sell off again. What does that mean for us for profit? 88,000. We are $12,000 away from having $100,000 day, but it's not about how much we're up. I'm paying attention to the chart, and I told you, boom, bulls got smacked down. Bulls got smacked down. Bulls again rolled over, got smacked down. So I think another smackdown is coming because volatility is increasing. So now just that quick, we went from up 88,000 to only up 74,000. So 14,000 was given back just that quick. And I'm not trying to be greedy. I am just watching the charts though and trying to say, I don't see the bulls showing up, but I also don't see the bears getting as aggressive. We may be getting ready to close this out. We got to go finger ready to close. Maybe we just take the 71,000. So now it's down to 66. Now I want to be patient again, because this might just be a last attempt from the bulls. Long wick. So, I mean, you can see how much money you can make or lose just that quick when you got that many contracts. We were up 88,000. So that's $18,000 we technically just gave back just by trying to see if we can make some more. That's part of the game. When you got this much profit, you can say, like, let's be a little risky and let's just see if we can get more. Because even if it goes back up, making 50, 60, 70,000 a day is still a good day. We saw the bulls try here, smack down. We saw them try here, smack down. We saw them try for 3 candles in the long wick in the row, smack down. If my thesis is correct, bulls are not in charge. Bears are back. Volatility's back. So let's watch what happens to the account. Let's refresh. 95,000. We are almost $100,000 for the day. Once we hit it, I am going to officially close this out live on this live stream. We are pennies away. Boom, 892, we did it. I'm gonna set a limit order for 892. I cannot be greedy here. 892, take me out. I think we just got filled. We just got filled. 892, trade, order status, $100,000. You guys just watched me do it literally live. Made $100,000 live on camera. Wow, it's over. Don't let anybody tell you that this does not work. I just closed it out live on camera. $100,000 in one day. Let's go. Look at it. I don't even care what it does now. $100,000. We're done. Woo! So hey, thanks for watching the video with me, whether you watched it live on the live stream or whether you're watching the replay. I appreciate you watching the video. If you got anything from this and enjoyed me sharing this information, do me a couple of favors. Number one, hit the thumbs up, give the video a like. Let me know if you like seeing content like this, these rare behind the scenes look into my accounts. This is stuff we normally just share with our members inside Power Trades University. Number two, if you know a friend or a trader that needs to see this, tag them, share this video so that they can be inspired and know what's possible when you learn this craft, learn this industry. I always say there's traditional school and then there's Power Trades University school. And that's what we're teaching our members, how it's possible to make $100,000 in one day when you learn the strategies, the skills, how to read the charts, and really how to put it all together. This is what's possible, ladies and gentlemen. I hope I was able to shed a little bit of light on how I think, how I saw the charts, what moves I made, in literally real time, how I went through the emotions of staying in, getting out as you watch my account fluctuate. I try to have my kids with me in these videos because I realize that we're documenting history here, and I want my kids to be able to look back on this someday and say anything is possible. My dad was showing that anything is possible, that it was documented and proven. And if I can help you in any way, if you want to take a look at some of my free stuff, we got a lot of free training that'll be below in the description. Or if you want to check out some of our courses, our coaching, our stock trading, our options trading community, you can check all that below in the description and in the links as well. But again, just thanks for tapping in. Thumbs up, share it with somebody, leave a comment. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video.